श्री गुरुदेव नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्यक्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः। ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः। बन्धवधूपदे पद्मपराय सुकृति संभूताना विमलविभूति मनुजुलमङ्गलमोहप्रसूति श्रीराम स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ अपवित्रः पवित्रो वः सर्वावस्थान्वितोऽपि यः स्मरेत पुण्डरीकाक्षं सपाहयाभ्यन्तरशुचिः। नमस्तुते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुरारविन्दं यदपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपुरना प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः। व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो। ब्रह्मवेदाय वशिष्ठाय नमो नमः। व्यास भगवान की जय।
Thank you, Prabhuji. Acharyaji, now Grandbaby will do the offering. Lakshmi Ram Sahai. I was born and raised in Skeldon, Berbice, Guyana. From the tender age of 9, Panditji started performing puja on Sunday morning satsang under the tutelage of his Nana, the late Pandit Kishan Dutt Sharma, and his Diksha Guru Pandit Krishan Deo Sharma, from whom he gained a strong foundation in puja, vidhi, scriptural knowledge, and Hindi. At the age of 15, Panditji migrated to the United States and soon after became affiliated with the Sri Trimurti Bhavan Mandir. Here, under the guidance of Pandit Chunilal Narayan, he was able to further continue his studies and practice as a young Pandit in New York. He is one of the Pandits of the Sri Murti Bhavan, as well as member of the USA Pandits Parishad, serving as the Assistant Organizing Secretary. He is also a member of the Federation of Hindu Mandirs as the first Vice President. Academically, Panditji holds a degree in computer science from St. John University with an MBA from the NYIT, New York Institute of Technology, I think that's what it's been. Tonight will be his 11th year presenting Ramayana in the park. He joins Pandit Atridev Sharma, Pandit Shyam Basdeo. Those are the guys who went over a decade. Without further ado, my brothers and sisters, fellow devotees, I hand the mic over to Vyasji, Pandit Ganesh Ram Sahai. Vyas Bhagwan ki
प्रेम से बोलो श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। श्री बाल कृष्ण लाल की जय। नमश्चंडिकायै नमः पार्वती पतये। हर 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 महादेव। एकदंताय विद्महे वक्रतुंडाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा। कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा। वाग्यदिव्यैश्च विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंसः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा। अंजनाजाय विद्महे वायुपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नो हनुमत् प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा। दशरथाय विद्महे सीतावल्लभाय धीमहि तन्नः राम प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः।
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
भूर्भुवः स्वः स्वाहा। ओमाच्मन्यं पुण्याच्मन्यं श्री सर्वसुधाच्मन्यं समर्पयामि इदम् अग्ने जातवेदस्ते इदन्नामम। परम पूजनीय आदरणीय धर्माचार्य जी पंडित जी राम भारवाड़ पांडे, विप्र मंडली, विद्वान पंडितों, श्रोतागण, गंधर्वी समाज, मेरे प्यारे माताओं, भाई और बहनों, सभी भक्तजनों, प्रथम मैं उस पार परमेश्वर भगवान श्री सीताराम चरण कमलों पर शीश झुकाकर भगवान जी की कृपा इस पवित्र स्थान उपस्थित हुए नहीं है, इसीलिए प्रथम हम लोग हाथ जोड़कर शीश झुकाकर और भगवान चरण कमलों पर नमन करते हुए द्वयम मैं आप लोग फेडरेशन ऑफ हिंदू मंदिर और यूएसए पंडित परिषद के लिए हार्दिक स्वागत करना चाहता हूं। आज रात्रि हम लोग अपने अपने घर छोड़कर और इस पवित्र स्थान अयोध्या आएंगे तो भगवान श्री राम कथा, श्री राम चित्रमानस किष्किंधकान अति सुंदर कथा सुनाएंगे। आशा है इस कथा से बाद सिर्फ थोड़ा सा लाभान्वित हुए हैं। मुझे इस कथा से मैं भूल चूक हूं तो आप लोग क्षमा कीजिए। रेवर्ड धर्माचार्य जी, पंडित जी राम हरद्वार पांडे, respected and Lord Pandit Ji's Acharya ji, our Shrotas, Gandharvi Samaj, members of the Kirtan Mandali, respected mothers and fathers, brothers and sisters, devotees of Bhagavan, divine souls, Jai Shri Ram. It gives me great blessing this evening as firstly we bow down to the lotus feet of the divine Prabhu Shri Sita Rama, to all the manifestations of Bhagwan and Bhagavati. Tulsidas ji ne kaha, Tulsidas ji reminds us, Ram Kripa Binu Sulabh na soe. Without the blessings of Bhagwan, we cannot be in satsang. Hence, firstly, we bow down to the lotus feet of the divine for blessing us with this most precious and blessed opportunity to commune together as one family, as one community in this beautiful shrine, Ayodhya. On behalf of the Federation of Hindu Mandirs and the USA Pandits Parishad, these two organizations, I extend a very warm and cordial welcome to each and every one of you to Katha, the fourth installment, the fourth night of glorification of Prabhu Sri Rama, and of course the Katha taken from the Sri Ram Chitramanas. Every one of us, my dear brothers and sisters, devotees all, present here physically, and thanks to technology, those of you who are joining us virtually also, I extend a very cordial welcome to all of you as well. And I want to remind us all of how blessed we are to be in satsang. Ram Kripa, this opportunity that we have to dive into the pages of the Sri Ram Chitramanas and to engulf ourselves with this beautiful ras, the sweetness of the pastimes and the glories of Bhagwan Sri Rama. It is indeed a blessing because there are many, not only us mortals, who have embarked into this very glorification of Prabhu Sri Ram that has now become to be known as the Ram Chitramanas, but Ma Sita, in fact, Mata Parvati, Kakbashundi to Garud, and so on and so forth, Hanumanji to Bibhishan. Many have narrated, many millions, if not in the billions, have listened to Sri Ram's Katha. Why? As alluded to a few nights ago, Ramayan Sura Taru ki chaya, Dukha Bhai Daridra Nikat jo aaya. The Sri Ram Chitramanas or Ramayana, it is referred to as, it is likened to that of a tree. Ramayan Sura Taru ki chaya, and those of us who take shelter under this tree, what happens? Dukha Bhai Daridra Nikat jo aaya. Sufferings, emotional pains, dukkha, bhai, fear, dukkha, bhai, daridra, physical ailments, these three in particular, dukh bhai daridra nikat jo aya, cannot affect such an individual who takes shelter under the beautiful limbs of Sri Ramchandra Manas or the Ramayana. I give my salutations to all the Vyasa, all the Vyasjis that have read for the past 3 sessions. Panditji Jaiwant, who's here with us, Panditji Atrideo, who's not here with us, Panditji Rudra Sharma last night, and I also give reverence to all the other Vyasjis that will be reading for the remaining sessions of Ramayana in the Park 2024, because it is through their blessings also that I can deliver here tonight. After such a magnificent foundation laid by Panditji Jaiwant of the Balakand, and then from that root, the 3 sprungs from the Ayodhya Kand of the Ramchatramanas by Panditji Acharyaji Deo Sharma, Atri Deo Sharma, and then the tree then give branches from the Aranya Kand. Last night we had beautiful presentation of Aranya Kand Ramchatramanas. Tonight we shall attempt to look at the Kishkinda Kand that is likened to like the leaves of this tree. And the leaves of all the parts of the tree, the branches that give the leaves, gives the most shelter of that tree, gives us more comfort, and we'll find out why in a little bit later. In the Ramchatramanas, we're reminded of the importance of listening to Katha. This effort for the last 15, this being the 16th year by the Federation of Hindu Mandirs Inc. and the USA Pandits Parishad Inc. is not futile, my dear brothers and sisters. Give them a big round of applause. It's an ardent task, but that task, when they group their energies together, it gives us a chance so that we can elevate ourselves. Ramchatramanas reminds us, Tulsidas ji rather, he reminds us in these beautiful words, Suni samujai jana mudita man, majjahi ati anurag. This, as Panditji Vyaji said last night, this installment, this environment is likened to that of Tirtharaj, that is called Prayag. Right? And what happens? At Prayag, where he left off last night, it reminds us, Suni samujai jana muditaman, whomsoever listen to the glories of Prabhu Sri Sita Rama that is taken from the Ramchatramanas with a pure mind. The formula is very simple. Listen attentively and with a pure mind. Suni samujai jana muditaman, majjahi ati anurag, and with devotion. Listen attentively with a pure mind and with devotion as you gaze on this beautiful murti, Pratima of Bhagwanji before you. What happens? Lahi chari phal achatatanu. Lahi chari phal achatatanu. When one listens to the glories of Bhagavan with faith, rapt attention, with devotion and a pure mind, what happens? Lahi chari phal. All the 4 fruits of life can be attained. What are the 4 fruits of life? Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha. We all know that very well. Lahi charipal achatatanu sadhu samaja prayaga. We can achieve these 4 goals of life. Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha. Many times we wait when someone passes on. Preta moksha pradobhavam. We pray, oh Lord, may that person, may that Atma, Jiva Atma, attain moksha. But according to Sri Ramchatramanas, here in this mundane world, achatatanu, when the body is full, the body is only full when the prana is in there. So therefore, one can achieve moksha or liberation when you are alive by listening to Katha. Rama Katha Ganga सुगम भय जाए है माई कोई कोई नहाए. राम कथा गंगा सुगम भय जाए है माई कोई कोई नहाए. This Prayaga is like Ganga. It is Ganga. And there are many who have come and take a dip and refresh him or herself and have gained so much blessedness. Brahma nahaya aur Vishnu nahaya. Brahma nahaya aur Vishnu nahaya. Baba bole, ho Baba Shankar nahaya. Apne damru bajaye, he mai koi nahaya. Bhagwan Ji Brahma listens to Katha, Bhagwan Ji Vishnu listens to Katha, Bhagwan Shankar listens to Katha, Narad Muni listens to Katha, all the saints and sages listen to Katha. Then what are you and I not to listen to Katha? Consider yourself blessed, my dear brothers and sisters. Ram Kripa. I want all of us to remind ourselves whenever we get the opportunity to listen to Katha, whether it's present or you're listening virtually, say, Lord, thank you. Katha does not only mean from the Ramcharitamanas. When you listen to your bhajans, when you listen to your kirtan, glorifications of the Lord, those, my dear brothers and sisters, are all blessed moments for us to listen and to elevate ourselves. As such, I invite all of you this time, let us clasp our hands and let us contemplate on Bhagwan as we chant prarthana and prayers in dedication to Bhagavan. Om Varnanam Artha Sanganam Rasanam Chandasamapi Mangalanam Chakartaro Vande Vani Vinayaka Bhavani Shankaro Vande Shraddha Viswasarupino Yabhyam Vina na Pashyanti Siddha Swantastham Vande Bodhamayam Nityam Gurum Shankararupinam Yamashrito hi Vakropi Chandraha Sarvatra Vanyate Sitarama Gunagrama Punyaranya Viharina Vande Vishuddha Vigyana Kavishwara Kapishwara Udbhava Sthiti Samharakarani Kleshaharani Sarva Shriyaskari Sita Natoham Ram Vallabha Lokabhiramam Ranarangadiram Rajivanetram Raghuvanshanatam Karunyarupamam Karunakaram tam Shri Ramachandram Sharanam Prapadhe Manojavam Marutatulyavegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtham Vatatmajam Vanarayutramukyam Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadhe Shri Rama Rama Raghunandana Rama Rama Shri Rama Rama Bharata जय राम राम। श्री राम राम रन कंजन राम राम। श्री राम राम शरण भव राम राम। श्री रामचंद्र चरण मनसा स्मरामि। श्री रामचंद्र चरण वचसा गृह्णामि। श्री रामचंद्र चरण शिरसा नमामि। श्री रामचंद्र चरण शरणं प्रपद्ये। श्री रामचंद्र चरण शरणं प्रपद्ये। वन्दे देव उमापतिं सुरगुरुं। वन्दे जगत्कारणं। वन्दे पन्नगभूषणं मृगधर। वन्दे पशूनां पतिं। वन्दे सूर्यशशाङ्कवैननयनं। वन्दे मुकुन्द प्रियं। वन्दे भक्तजनाश्रियं च वरदं। वन्दे शिवं शङ्करम्। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। Everybody. ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। नमामि शमीशा निर्वाणरूपं विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्मवेदस्वरूपं। नमामि शमीशा निर्वाणरूपं विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्मवेदस्वरूपं। निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं निरीहं चिदाकाशमाकाशभासं व्रजेऽहम्। ॐ निराकार ओंकार मूलं तुरीयं। विराज्ञानकोटितमीशं गिरीशं। करालं महाकाल कालं कृपालं। गुणागार संसार पापं नतोऽहम्। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। उमापति महादेव की जय। In this beautiful month of Shravan, entire month that is dedicated to Bhagavan Shankar, how blessed it is that we can listen to Shri Ram's Katha year after year in this month of Shravan Mas. As we dive into the Ramcharitamanas, as it is customary, let us group our voices together as we chant Ramayana Sumirat. जो सुमिरत सिद्धि हो गणनायक करी बदन बदन। करहु अनुग्रह सो गुरुविराज होई बाचार अंगुचरय गिरिवर गहन जासु कृपा बहु सकल करिमल गहन नीला सरोरु हस्या अरुण अरुण करौ सुमम उरधा सदा क्षीर कुंड इंदु समदे मानवन जाहि दीन परने करो कृपा मरणन मयना पंडव गुरु पद कंज कृपा सिंधु नर रूप हरि महामोह तम कुंज जासु वचन रवि कर निकर जासु वचन रवि कर निकर जासु वचन रवि कर निकर श्री गणपति भगवान की जय शारदा माता की जय श्री सद्गुरु महाराज की जय प्रेम से बोलो श्री सीतारामचंद्र भगवान की जय पवन सुत हनुमान स्वामी की जय श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः श्री जानकी वल्लभो विजयते श्री रामचरित्रमानस्य चतुर्थ सोपान किष्किन्धकांड ओम श्लोक किंड इंद समुद्र भारि भवला विज्ञान धर्माहुभौ शोभाध्यावरणीवन श्रुतितनौ भुवि प्रधाव प्रिया माया मानुस्वरूपिणा रघुवर साधर्म नवहिता सीतानि सनातना परपतिगतौ भक्ति प्रदा तोहिनः भक्ति प्रदा तोहिनः रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे रघुनंदन सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे रघुनंदन राघव राम हरे सिया राम हरे सिया राम हरे रघुनंदन राजा राम 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 सीता राम 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 राजा राम 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 सीता राम 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 राजा राम 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 सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राजा राम 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 सीता राम 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 राजा राम 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 सीता राम 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 राजा राम 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 सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
आगे चले बहुरी रघुराया विषय मुख पर्वतनीय जो आया श्री राम जय
Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram.
तहरह सचिव सहित सुग्रीव आवत देखिया तुल बल सेवा अति सहित कह सुनो हनुमाना अति सहित कह सुनो हनुमाना पुरुष जुगल बल रूप निधाना श्री राम जय
Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram.
तरी बतुरूप देखुत जाई कहे सो जानी जिया सबु जाई तरी बतुरूप देखुत जाई कहे सो जानी जिया सबु जाई
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram
जय राम। आगे चले बहुरी रघुराया ऋषय मुख पर्वत निराया आगे चले श्री रघुनाथ जी फिर आगे चले और ऋषयमुख पर्वत के निकट आ गए। Very powerful, very beautiful words Tulsidas ji chose to commence Kishkinda Khan of the Sri Ramcharitamanas. As a reminder, the Kishkinda Khan of Ramayana or Ramcharitamanas, to be corrected, is the 4th adhyay. It is a Chatura Sopan, the 4th chapter, if I may. And the number 4 plays a pivotal role in our life and in Sanatan Dharma also. Just to name a few. We have the Chatura Varna, the 4 classes, right? Then we have the Chatura Veda, the 4 Vedas. Rig Veda, Sama Veda, Atharva Veda, Yajura Veda. We have the 4 stages of life. Brahmachari, Sannyasi, Grihasti, right? And Vanprastha. So the number 4 is very important, and here we will analyze this Chaupai because, and in depth also somewhat, the Kishkinda Khan, because it allows us to achieve what we ought to. It reminds us rather, and these are primarily the 4 goals of life: Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha. And here, Tulsidas ji, choice of words are very important because it says Aage chale bahuri raghuraya. We have examined these words one too many times. In fact, for these years presenting by the blessings of Bhagavan Sri Rama here at Ramayana in the park, this is my 2nd time with I believe Kishkinda Khan. My first episode, very first time at Ramayana in the park was also Kishkinda Khan. And this being 16 years after, well, I did not read in the first few years, but on the 16th year The number 16 also plays a pivotal role in Sanatan Dharma. Not only when the child becomes 16, the girls especially, we do a sweet 16 for her, but we have the Shodash Upchar Puja, the 16 steps in worship. We have the Lokamatrikas, the 16 manifestations of the Devi that we worship. We have the 16 sanskars, the stages in life. And if you take not the number 16 also is multiple of 4. Hence, the correlation here is very important. So, Aage Chale, Bhagavan Sri Ram, Tulsidas ji is documenting here that he is moving forward. Now, if I am saying that Panditji Suraj is moving forward in life, well, he did a few weeks ago. He's moving forward, which means if you're moving forward, you're leaving something behind. Isn't that so? Logical? So when Tulsidas ji chose these words to commence Kishkinda Kand as Vyas ji last night left off, he is continuing into the forest. He is moving forward into the forest and he is approaching this Aage Chale Bahuri Raga Rishamukh Parvat. He is now approaching this mountain range that is called the Rishamukh. Tulsidas ji is reminding us at this juncture of the life of Bhagavan Sri Rama in a subtle way. By the raise of hands here, how many of us don't have problems? Dharmacharya ji, nobody have problems? At this point in time, thank you Acharya. So at this point in time, rightfully so because you're in Katha, you don't have any problems. That's okay, I accept that. Every one of us, we have some sort of trials and tribulation or tribulations in our life that we are experiencing as we speak. But Tulsidas ji is reminding us, Bhagavan Sri Ram is moving forward in life. Aage chale bahuri raghuraya. Now Tulsidas ji, he could have penned the words Aage chale bahuri raghunatha, or he could have penned the words Aage chale bahuri Shri Rama. This would have all fall into the meter. But he chose the word Raghuraya because as this name implies, Ram Charitra Manas, this text that we are reading from, the Shastra, it is a lake. And in a lake, verses, again, I will use the analogy, Tulsidas ji could have used Sri Ram Charitra Sagar. Sagar means an ocean. Isn't that so? The word Sagar means ocean. In comparison, an ocean is bigger than a lake. But when we look at keenly at the main characteristics of differentiation here, Tulsidas ji chose the word Manas because a lake is a little bit more settled body of water in which we can have our reflection. Versus an ocean that is much more wavy at all times in comparison. So here we have the opportunity to reflect in Ramcharitamanas tonight and see what Sri Ram did despite his circumstances. At this juncture, as was mentioned before, previous nights, Sri Rama, in particular in Ayodhya and Aranyakana Ramcharitamanas, Sri Ram was promised the kingdom of Ayodhya. But instantaneously, he was asked to go to Banwas for 14 years. Not only that, he had to disrobe himself of kingsmanship clothing. He had to go barefooted and so on. He had to go in the real as a true human being, so to speak. Then, as he was journeying into the forest, he got the message that his father would have passed on. Imagine you are somewhere here, your parent or loved one passed on, how would you feel? And then even to add to this, to add salt to his pain, so to speak. As he was traversing into the forest, the Chaya Sita was taken away from him. He had multitude of trials and tribulation he was experiencing at this time, and particularly he was in searching of that Chaya Sita. Sita Ma represents purity. Sita Ma represents chastity. Sita Ma represents intelligence. Sita Ma represents light. When chastity, when intelligence is gone, we have to go forward and look for it. We have to put everything behind us and spring ahead in life, Sri Ram is reminding us. However, we need to stay focused as to where we have come from and what has brought us to the point where we are in our life, and do not make that affect us or bring us back to where we were, but we must go ahead. And the word Raghuraya is the word of choice here, my dear brothers and sisters, because Sri Rama is exercising the qualities of a leader. Not as a king per se, but as a leader. Raghuraya. Rishamukha Parvata Nikat jo aaya. Taharaha Sachiva Sahita Sugriva Avata Deki Atulla Balasiva. We all know very well, residing in this Naimisharanya mountain was Sugriva, and he was very fearful. Ati Sabita Kaha Sunna Hanumana Purusha Jugala Bala Rupa Nidhana. And when he saw Sugriva now is seeing these two persons, Sri Rama and Lakshman, approaching this mountain, he was there, Sugriva was there and hiding from his brother Bali, and that was another katha by itself, where Bali was giving Sugriva a hard time, and Sugriva was taking refuge at the Naimisharanya mountain because Bali could not have gone there because the shrap he would have gotten. So when he saw these two persons approaching this mountain range, Sri Ram and Lakshman, Sugriva became very worried. And what he did? Ati sabita kaha sunu Hanumana. With fear in his heart, with fear and great tenseness in his mind, Sunuhu Hanumana. Who did he call on? Hanuman. Hanumanji, my dear brothers and sisters. Ati sabita kaha sunu Hanumana Purushukala Bala Rupa Nidhana. Go, O Hanumanji, and investigate who these two persons are. Chopai.
Shri Ram Jai Jai Rama. Shri Ram Jai Jai Rama.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama. Pase Bali hoi man mera Bhagav surat jaho yah shaila. Shri Ram And Hanumanji took the form of a Vipra, of a Brahmin. He disguised himself. Viprarupa, in that form, he went and he approached these two persons. And what did he say? Ko tum shyamal gaura sharira kshatri rupa ban kshatri rupa firahu ban bira katina bhumi komal padgami kavan hetu virachahu ban swami. He said, oh Lord, in fact he didn't call them Lord, he said, Ko tum shyamala gaura sharira. हे वीरो शैलोक और गौरव शरीर वाले आप दोनों कौन है जो क्षत्रियों को वेश में वन में फिर रहे हैं? He said, oh you two, one is dark and one is fair, in this form of a kshatri. Where are the two of you going? Katina bhumi ko malapadagami kavan hetu vidachahu bana swami. So Lord, your feet. Now we have to examine this, right? We have to understand. Hanumanji's approach is very important. He approached them, and what he did first, he glorified them. He spoke something good about them. He said, who are you to? He described them. He did not go to them and say, hey, who are you to? What are you doing here? Always remember, it's not what you say, but you say. So the choice of words of Hanumanji, Ko tum shyamal, you are fair, you are dark, Kshatri Rupa, dress like a Kshatri. And not only that, Katina Bhumi Ko Malapadakami, he looked at them from head to toe. He examined them. Right? And he saw that their feet was not that which is conducive to the hardship of the forest, but they were soft. Which means Hanumanji, as a messenger of Sugriva in this juncture, he is very observant. Tulsidas is reminding us that when we go out and we work on behalf of someone, we must be attentive. We must be able to analyze the situation. Sometimes your boss will tell you to do X, but X may not be appropriate. So you have to find a workout. Your boss will send you to a meeting, a very tense meeting. You have to sit there, you have to bear the brunt of it, but it's your duty to represent your convoy, your company, the integrity of who you work for by not getting upset at the same time, but addressing the situation in a manner in which that will bring diplomacy, it will bring conclusion, it will bring proper good for that situation, and that's important. Hanumanji is teaching us, reminding us that communication is the key for us to excel in life. After all, Jai Hanuman Jnana Gunasagar. He's an ocean of knowledge. He's an ocean of inspiration. And now, he went on to glorify them. He said, are you either one of you Nar or Narayan? Ki dono roop hai? You look very familiar. Are you Nar, one of you man, and Narayan, the very embodiment of man? So he was observing. He was using intuition. He did not approach them in a rude manner, did he? No, he communicated. You know, many times when you're meeting someone for the very first time, I can't remember the exact number of seconds or minutes, but in a short period of time, psychology teaches that you can say a lot of that person by having a minute or less conversation. You know that? From the way they speak, right? From the way their position is, their body language, and so on and so forth, right? In Bhagavad Gita, we are reminded, Sthita prajnasya ka bhasha samadhitasya keshava sthitadi kim prabhasi kim asita satakim. When Bhagavan Krishna was asked by Arjuna what are the characteristics, prajahati yada kaman saman parto manogatan atmanev atmana tushtah sthita prajnasya tadochaye. He described how a person speaks, how he sits, and so on. All of these things, my dear brothers and sisters, we draw from Kishkinnakan in Hanumanji's approach to Bhagavan Sri Rama and Lakshmana at this juncture. He asked them very nicely, who are you? What are you doing here? What is your purpose here? Can you identify yourself? And he even went further and say, are you Nar or Narayan? Tulsidas documents in Chaupai where it was time for the Lord to answer.
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama,
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama. Koshale Satas Rat ki jai, Koshale Satas Rat ke jai, हम पितु वचन मान बन आए, हम पितु वचन मानी बन आए। नाम राम लक्ष्मण दो भाई, राम नाम लक्ष्मण दो भाई, संग नारी सुकुमारी सुहाई, संग नारी सुकुमारी सुहाई। श्री राम जय राम,
Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Rama,
श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम। श्री राम जी ने उत्तर दिया। Shri Ram ji now give the answer. Somebody ask you a question, you answer and you answer politely. हम कौशल राज दशरथ जी के पुत्र हैं. So he asked, who are you? What are your names? And how Bhagwan Shri Ram identified himself? हम कौशल राज दशरथ जी के पुत्र हैं. We are the sons of Dashrath. You know that guy? Dashrath, who is the king of Ayodhya. Have you heard of him? We are his sons. What a beautiful introduction. And it reminds us of a couple of things here very quickly. One, Sri Ram and Lakshman, in particular Sri Ram in this juncture, remained, even though his father was Swargavasi, would have gone to the far beyond, he still remained intact with his lineage. He identified himself of where he came from, the family he came from, the kula he came from. Many times we are asked to identify yourself. You know, long ago, when somebody wants to know who you are, what do they say? What do they ask you? Who your daddy, who your mommy? Isn't that so? Or who picked me? Right? That is how it has been. Because, and there's a reason why. Because in yesteryears, our ancestors, our foreparents would have carried themselves in a dignified manner that parents, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, up to this day, we can call on the names such as Great Nana. We would call him the late Dharmacharya-ji, Panditji Hardwar. How we identify ourselves. Many a times, I call him Nana, right? Or Dharmacharya-ji. Nana-ji will identify himself not as Dharmachar, not as Pandit-ji, but sometimes when he meet older person, say, well, I am Pandit-ji Hardwar, the late Dharmacharya Hardwar-ji's son. He said, oh, I know him. He was such a wonderful person. Sri Ram was excessively, he was proud of where he came from. Why? Because Raja Dashrath carried himself in a dignified manner. Last night we learned, a few nights ago we learned, Raghukul Riti, Sada Chalyai, Prana Jai, Par Vachan na Jai. Raja Dashrath stood by his words. He carried himself in a dignified manner. That is why Sri Ram and Lakshman, in particular Sri Ram, can identify themselves as his son. You understand that? Parents, you ought to carry yourself in such a way that your children will be proud to say that they are your child or children. You can't blame the children if you don't carry yourself in such a way. And children, you ought to be proud of the lineage you have come from. Whether it's good or not so good, you still be proud because it's where you have come from. And no one can change that. No one can change that. We have to be proud of our lineage. And today we give thanks to all the Dharmacharyaji that have passed on and gone to the far beyond and have laid the foundation so that we can, in this part of the world, in Surya Narayan courtyard, examine and experience Ayodhya. Give them a big round of applause. We should not forget those noble souls. So, he identified himself as the sons of Raja Dashrath, the king of Ayodhya. Then, Ram Naam Lakshmana Do Bhai. Then he said, I am Ram and he is my brother Lakshman. Sanganari Sukumari Suhai. And with us, there was a beautiful lady, my other half, and unfortunately, she was abducted. So he gave Hanumanji the reason why they are there. And now, my dear brothers and sisters, Hanumanji recognized who the Lord, who was standing in front of him. And Tulsidas document Chaupai again, as he now expressed himself to Bhagwan Sri Ram and Lakshman.
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Pulakit tan mukh avan vachan dekhat ruchir bes keh rachna puni dhar jodhari astuti kini har shardhay dijna kanudhini.
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Puni dhari astuti kinha. When Hanumanji realized who was standing in front of him, my dear brothers and sisters, Aapana charitra kaha hamagai, kahu vipra nij katha bujai. Then he said, O Lord, I can't speak of any pulakit tanamukha avana bachana. The hair from his hands and his body rose, pulakit, right? Avana bachana, and his mouth became parched. He could not speak because he realized who was standing before him. Now, of course, Bhagwan Sri Ram recognized who Hanumanji was. But Bhagwanji, hey, God is God. And this is all the Leela, if I may, of Bhagwanji. But it's teaching us a message again. Bhagwan can be likened to that of a mirror. What is the main property of a mirror, Panditji? To reflect. And the mirror can only reflect that which is put in front of him or it. Isn't that so? If you put a black piece of cloth, it will reflect a black piece of cloth. If you put a beautiful picture like myself, you'll see a nice image of me. Hanumanji went in quote unquote disguise before the Lord, and the Lord recognized him as disguise. How we approach the Lord, that is how the Lord will rescue us. Always remember. See the Lord to be the knower of everything. Go to the Lord with your real self, because He knows you more than you know yourself. And Hanumanji then now spoke to his Lord, and he was virtually embarrassed. Imagine you're trying to impress someone who already knows who you are, and then that person say, "Hey, I know you. I know who you are exactly." Are you interviewing someone who happens to be the interviewer? Imagine that. Ram, hey Ram, Ram, hey Ram. Imagine you're standing before the Lord. Hanumanji is standing before the Lord, and he said in a very embarrassing way, Ram, hey Ram, Ram, hey Ram, मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो राम, मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो राम, मुझे अपनी शरण में मुझे अपनी शरण में लोचन मन में जगे न हो तो, लोचन मन में जगे न हो तो, जुगल चरण में ले लो राम, मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो राम, मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो राम, मुझे अपनी शरण में ले लो राम. And the Lord then, when Hanumanji petitioned to the Lord, he said, Lord, please rescue me, please accept me, please forgive me. The Lord embraced him. Imagine, Bhagwan Sri Ram embraced Hanumanji. Imagine the devotee and the Lord embracing each other. What a vibration that would have created in the world. Hanumanji then explained the scenario to Bhagwan Sri Rama about Sugriva, who is residing. And point to note, having met the Lord, Hanumanji did not forget about his boss. He could have sought refuge of Sri Ram and say, Sri Ram, come with me. I want to come with you. Can I tag along with you, Lord? Hanumanji did not do that. He remembers Sugriva. When you are in good times, when you have something good with you, it is important for you to share it with your friend or your friends that need help. Hanumanji informed Sri Rama of the turmoil of Sugriva, and when Sri Ramji heard of this, he said, okay, I will go and meet with your friend Sugriva. He said, Lord, can you meet with my master? Can you please meet with my friend? Hanumanji is begging for his friend. If you go and you get an autograph of Shah Rukh Khan, would you ask for one for your friend? Yeah? Well, thank you. Must get one for me too, please. Right? So these are the traits of a true bhakta, of a true devotee Hanumanji is highlighting here. So my dear brothers and sisters, we know that scene very well, where Hanumanji placed Sri Rama and Lakshman on his shoulder and took them to Sugriva. When he got there, then he explained, I'm going a little bit forward, he explained the scenario between Sugriva and Bali to Bhagwan Ram. Bhagwan Sri Ram explained his problems now to Sugriva. Now two persons have a problem. They each have a problem. What are they going to do? They're going to sit down there and mope over it? No. When you have a problem and someone else have a problem, sit down and try to get a solution. See whose problem can be solved first. And then when that's solved, problem is solved together, then you go and resolve the other problem. This is what happened here. Sri Ram said to Sugriva, don't worry, my friend. I will slay Bali. I will free you from all your miseries. And you will be installed as the king again. As the king of all the Vanars. And then we will take it from there. My dear brothers and sisters, a very important quotable quote here of the Ramcharitamanas, where Bhagavan Sri Rama explained in a few chaupas the importance and the traits of friendship. The word friendship is very loosely being used today, right? Isn't that so? Say, he's my friend, she's my friend, but you have a problem, let's see who answers the phone. Especially since Bell Atlantic then came up with this thing called Caller's ID. You remember that? When you were probably a baby then. Right? And you have to plug that device into your phone. And you have to pay an extra charge for it. And then people start to get wiser. They're not home even more often. Got to look and see who calls. Then you have to dial what? *69 to block your number. *82. Right? To unblock, whatever it was. Right? So, here, Tulsidas Ji, through the medium of Bhagavan Sri Rama, reminds us of one chaupai, very quickly, of the characteristics of a true friend. Chaupai.
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama. Shri Ram Jaya Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama. जिनके असीमति सहज न आई, ते सतकत हट कर मिताई. कुपत निवार सुपंत चलावा, गुण प्रगटेयु अवगुण की दुरावा. श्री राम जय राम,
Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. कुपत निवार सुपंत चलावा. A true friend, Bhagavan Ram is telling Sugriva and all of us, Tulsidas is reminding, a true friend should lead his friend from darkness to light. Kupat nivada supanta chalava, guna pragateyo avaguna durava. And a true friend should suppress the bad traits and elements of his counterpart and only speak that which is good. Sounds familiar or unfamiliar? Lead your friend from darkness to light. And also, if you are a dear friend to someone, a companion to someone who holds you close and you hold them close, do not go and say the bad things about them. Speak that which is only good out there and correct them in the confines of the four walls. In fact, when Mata Kaikeyi was asking for the boon, right, in the Ayodhya Kand, she did not go out in the public and ask Raja Dashrath. She went to a particular place that is called the Kopa Bhavan. I hope no homes these days have Kopa Bhavan, because that was a special place. We shall instruct Panditji Suraj about that later. Kopa Bhavan is where when you have problems, you go there and you reel it out. Not on social media. So when when we are in a relationship or friendship in particular, speak the virtues of your friends out in public, and whatever you have to correct them in private. So, having explained the importance of friendship, Tulsidas reminds us that Sugriva, that Bhagwan Sri Rama went on and he slayed Bali. He slayed Bali, and Tara came, run crying, and he told Tara, "Oh Tara, that even though that Bali is lying here, Kshiti Jala Pavaka Gagana Simira Panchta Chit Ati Adham Sharira, the body is lifeless. Ishwara Amsa Jiva Vinashi, but that Atma of your husband, Bali, has gone to my abode. Please continue to pray for him." Someone passes on, do not mourn and lament, pray for the Jivatma of that person. Now, it came to a point where Sugriva was crowned the king of all the Vanas, but he was getting a little bit engulfed in enjoying. He had to be reminded by one of the Vanas. And then he said, "You know what? Bhagwan Sri Ram helped me out in this situation. I now have to not return the favor per se, but I now have to go and do what I have to do to secure my Sita." This brings us to a very important point in the Ramcharitamanas, where all the Vanas are gathered there. They would have met Sampati, and Sampati gave them the instructions that through his vision he can see across the ocean where Lanka was. And he told them that Sita Ma was lying there in Ashok Vartika. It's very important for us to understand that Sita Ma was there. And now all the Vanas, they hover around together. You have a project to do. The boss selects a team. Isn't that so? And you have your initiation meeting where everybody is introducing themselves and everybody is giving their strengths and their weaknesses. This was a similar situation. Angad said he can go, but he's not sure he can come back. Jamavan said, "What do you ask me for me so old?" Right? Like if Pandit Nana to go up the stairs, he said, "What do you want me to go up for? Gan, you younger, you go." Right? So everybody, when there's a thing to be done, everybody give their strengths, everybody give their weaknesses. When I first started working professionally 12 years ago, my first month, we had a team meeting. And the CFO came and he was heading the meeting. And among the first thing he said to the group, and I will always remember this forever. He said, "Always be part of the solution. Don't be part of the problem." In our society, we have to be part of the solution. Don't be part of the problem. This is why the Federation of Hindu Mandirs are propagating all these occasions and organizing all these events so that we can bring solution to the table and once you bring solution to the table, guess what? Once you shine light in darkness, what happens? The darkness disappears. The darkness disappears, my dear brothers and sisters. So now, everybody there is saying, "I can go, I can go, I can come back," whatever the case may be. And then, there was one person who was called upon, Chaupai. And let's listen to these words, as Tulsidas documents.
Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jaya Jaya Rama. Kahani Chapati Suno Hanumana, Ka Chup Saade Rahe Hu Balwana. पवनत नय बल पवन समाना, बुद्धि विवेक विज्ञान निधाना। कवन को काज कठिन जग माही, जो नहीं हो
everybody was voicing their opinion. Hanumanji was sitting there. Kaha chupa. He was sitting very quietly. He was not saying a word. Ka chupa sadi rehahu balavana. Until he was spoken to. Until he was called upon. You know, the one that knows most always speaks the less. I'll give it a flip side to that. Empty vessels makes the most noise. So here, Hanumanji, who was most capable, I don't know if he was listening to them or not. I wasn't there. Tulsidas Ji really documented that. I can't say. But based on his characteristics, he was just sitting there. He's probably thinking, Ram, 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 Raghupati. He was just thinking about his Lord. Until he was reminded, Kachu pasadi rahu balavana, pavana tanay bala pavana samana, buddhi viveka vigyana nidana. When he was called upon that, oh, you sitting there very quietly, you are the mightiest you are the might among the mightiest. You are the most knowledgeable among the wise. Why are you sitting there so quietly when you know why you were sent upon this earth in the age of Treta? My dear brothers and sisters, here, kawana kukaja katina jagamahi jo nahi hoi tat tumahai Rama kaja lagi taba avatara sunata hai bahu bayahu para akara. Rama kaj. And when Hanumanji heard of how strong he was, how knowledgeable he was, how courageous he was, he did not give up. Rather, he did not get up. He doesn't even budge. Because they were glorifying his physical strength and probably his mental capacity. But when he heard the words, Ramakaja lagi tab avatara, when he heard the words that you were born, you were put here in this situation to serve your Lord, Hanumanji instantaneously, he get up and he said, I will go to Lanka, I will slay Ravan, I will destroy Lanka, I will bring back Sita. To give you a synopsis. But the point to note at this juncture is Ramakaj lagi tab avatara. We are all here, you and I, to serve the Lord. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya chadushkritam dharma samstapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. The Lord have manifested age after age, year after year. We also have manifested birth after birth, 8.4 million species. We have the Manushatan, we have the Naratan, we have this human body. Why? Ramaka Jalagi Tava Avatara. We are here to serve the Lord. Now, when Tulsidas in this context permit me for 3 minutes to dissect it, it doesn't mean literally to serve the murtis or the pratima of Bhagavan only, but it means to serve society. It means to serve our fellow brothers and sisters. It means to serve our fellow humankind. This is what our Dharma teaches us. This is what Sanatana propagates, Sanatana Dharma propagates. This is why we are sent here. Paritranaya sadhunam, to protect those who are the protectors of Dharma. The leaders, stand beside them. Vinashaya dushkritam, and collectively as one body, let us rid the world from all the negativities. Let us rid the world from all the demonic forces. Not by necessarily taking a stick and beat them, but by influencing them with knowledge, with wisdom, with events of this nature, virtual satsangs. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya dushkritam. And when we put these two together, what will happen? Dharma samstapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Dharma, righteousness, that which is truthful will always rise and rise and rise again. Because it starts with you and I. We are here, Ramakaj. We are here to serve. Not only Bhagavanji, we are here to serve our Dharma. Our Dharma does not only puts us in streamlined Hindus, but we are here to serve all mankind, you and I. It's about time we wake up, my dear brothers and sisters, and help someone. It's about time we give our time when someone's in depression. It's about time we serve our community, our senior centers, our hospitals. It's about time when someone is walking on the streets and they need something to drink, help them. It's about time when someone is in depression and in darkness and in deep ignorance, give them a copy of the Sri Ramcharitamanas. Sponsor a yajna for them. Give them a copy of the Bhagavad Gita. Then, my dear brothers and sisters, we would have been awakened up like Hanumanji is awakened up to serve his Lord, to serve his Dharma, and to be closer and closer to the Lord. Service to humanity is service to God. This is what Ramayana in the park is all about, my dear brothers and sisters. And the theme for this year, those who protect Dharma, Dharma will protect them. And the way we protect Dharma is protecting those who are protecting Dharma. The way we protecting Dharma is come together as a body, as a community, as a world to rid the world from all the darkness. If there's one message I want you all to leave here with here tonight, let it be one vitamin all of us should take every single day, and that is vitamin B1 as a community. Be one as a people. Be one as leaders. Be one as human beings. Stop differentiating. And let us bring our people together. Let us work together. Let us open our arms and help for a bigger cause. My dear brothers and sisters, then we would have done what Hanumanji is about to do in Sundarkand of Ramcharitamanas. I do invite all of you to join Panditji Rishi Sharma tomorrow evening for the Pancham Sopan, the 5th chapter, Sundarkand of Ramcharitamanas, as he will then traverse the pages of Sundarkand, Katha of his choice, but the entire Sundarkand deals with Hanumanji, directly or indirectly. I want to thank the Federation of Hindu Mandirs, the USA Pandits Parishad, all the musicians, all the singers. As usual, time is of the essence. Kaho ek baar se mintro sanatan dharma ki jai ho. Everybody, kaho ek baar se mintro sanatan dharma ki jai ho. Kaho ek baar hai mintro sanatan dharma ki jai ho. Prem se bolo Shri Sita Ramachandra Bhagwan ki, Satya Sanatan Dharma ki. Again, my thanks to all of you, to the organizers, you know who you are. May Bhagwan's blessings. Prem se bolo Shri Ramchandra Bhagwan ki jai.
Vyas Bhagwan ki, Vyas Bhagwan ki, Vyas Bhagwan ki. At this time, I will hand the mic over to our Dharmacharya, Pandit Ram Hardawar Pandey, to give his comments on Panditji's, Vyasji's Katha.
Boliye Vyas Bhagwan ki. Dhanya ho. Thank you very much, Vyasji. An excellent job indeed encapsulating the entire Kiskindha Kand and setting the stage, so to speak, for tomorrow evening. Full of energy, full of conviction, and bringing very important point, but great melody, great melody. I want to thank Vish for being here second night, and thank you very much for you added so much to beauty to this Ramayana in the Park Yajna. And I would like to thank all the Pandits who have come here this evening. Panditji Navin Dubey and Panditji was assisted in the...
On behalf of the Federation of Hindu Mandirs, we like to honor our Vyas this evening, and we'll have our Pandit Chaiwan to read the plaque.
Federation of Hindu Mandirs Inc., USA, in collaboration with the USA Pandits Parishad Inc. With our greatest appreciation, we hereby honor Pandit Ganesh Ramsahai. for his unwavering support and service to Ramayana in the Park and the Hindi community. With sincere thanks and gratitude.
The plaque will be presented by our organizing secretary and our general secretary to Pandit Ganesh Ramsahai.
Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garudaಧ್ವಜः Mangalam Pundarikaksho Sri Mangalaye Tanu Harihi Mangalam Bhagavan Shambhu Mangalam Rishabhavaಧ್ವಜः Mangalam Parvati Natham Mangalam Bhattavatsalam Hamsa Hamsaya Vidmahe Paramahamsaya cha Dhimahi Tanno Hamsaha Prachodayat Siyavaju Ramachandra ki hai.
Thank you, Acharya ji, Pandit ji, Vyas ji, excellent job as usual. Honorable Dharmacharya. Devotees, did you realize, other than our Dharmacharya, who is on stage tonight doing the pujas, our Shrotas, our Vyas, and other than by Vishnu there, the other members of the Kirtan? Did you see what's around us? It's all youth. Let's give them a round of applause. They gather our attention. And our youthful Dharmacharya, and our youthful Vishnu. They